YouTube. As you just saw, I just emptied the dishwasher, emptied this thing, and did the dishes from my laundry. I kind of want to pick up the rest of the counter, and then I'm going to make bagels and a yogurt parfait for breakfast for this morning. Larry's outside mowing our yard for the very first time. We got a lawnmower. If you didn't know, we moved from Vegas to Texas. Vegas doesn't really have grass. You don't really do yard work in Vegas. So he is mowing the lawn for the first time, so that's exciting. Yeah, but like I said, I'm just gonna clean the rest of this up. The stove needs to be cleaned off because we cooked last night. And yeah, but we survived Snowmageddon. We survived my birthday. This is us, I guess. Okay, so I'm getting ready to wash some berries for Larry's parfait. If you don't know, I'm allergic to a lot of berries, so we don't eat a ton of fruit in this house, but I did buy these for the parfait. This is what I like to use to wash. It's from Trader Joe's. It's great fruit and vegetable wash. Mine got a little wild in the move, but stuff is good. You just add some to a bowl, wash your produce, rinse it off, you're good to go. Okay, so I've never filmed a TikTok before. It's a lot of work, so now I understand why all these people are like, this is my job, because this is so much work. It's taken me, these bagels normally take 15 minutes from prep to bake. This is taking me almost an hour because I'm trying to film it and I'm trying to use this ring light and it's just like a hot mess, but this is the last shot and I'm pumped. But yeah, if you are a TikToker, I am so impressed by your skills. I might never do this again. Okay, bye. Breakfast is done. It was delicious. It's also 12:30, so really it was lunch. I'm gonna make a snack later, but I want to clean up the living room because this is what we're working with in here. So I'm gonna clean this up real quick. See you in a minute. Hello. Oh geez, we're blurry. Update, we made some brie cheese. We cleaned a lot. Larry did a lot of yard work and he is now playing
do you have to
video games. I will show you guys us cooking dinner and then we'll probably just see you Sunday. Happy weekend. We are cooking. We got the steaks cooking. We got mushrooms on deck. We got asparagus in the air fryer. We got 90 Day Fiance. Larry's opening some wine. Happy Saturday. Dinner is served. Asparagus, steak, baked potato. How was dinner?
It was delicious.
Yeah?
As usual.
Larry loves steak dinners.
To say the least.
Alright you guys, we're trying out another TikTok trend this morning. This is baked oatmeal. I made a fruity pebble one and a chocolate banana peanut butter one. I think this one's gonna be better because this one I don't know what flavors to add. But we'll see how either of them turned out. They all look good, they look like cake. So I'm excited to have cake for breakfast that's actually healthy for you. Okay, those were delicious. These are leftovers because we figured out that really you just need one per person, not two. But I'm gonna eat this one for breakfast tomorrow before work. I just heat it in the microwave again. So good. I'll definitely do a recipe video or a TikTok on these soon. We're prepped for dinner. We got our salmon nice and coated with everything with the bagel seasoning. This is literally the best salmon ever. We have 90 Day Fiance on as per usual. We are ready to cook the salmon. I am ready to cook some couscous. We're doing Israeli couscous. They look like this. And then I have some sweet potatoes in the oven. And that's dinner. You ready?
Ready. Hungry.
Hungry? We had a late snack, so we're having a late dinner. Check out that dinner. He should wife me up, shouldn't he? Look. Oh, I just arrived at our door. So I'm so excited. This has been, so this, I think, was a cake for my birthday. And obviously we had the snowstorm, mail didn't come, yada, yada, yada. Some ASMR. Then it finally came. They told me don't eat it because it hasn't been refrigerated, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so it wasn't the cake, but it's a milk bar pie. I'm not sure if they like reordered this or whatever. It looks so good. I've never had the milk bar pie. I think this is the one Brooke always raves about and says is like her favorite thing. I'm so excited to eat this, but it's not the cake, so I'm checking to see what's going on with that. But I'm gonna eat this. I'm putting it in the fridge so we can have it with our dinner tonight. I'm pumped. One of my wifely weekly duties that I've taken on is making Larry a pot of tea. This is the tea that he really likes. It's the Tazo Earl Grey one. He really likes this in like iced. So I use just a pitcher. This one was from Target last summer. It's the iridescent one. And I obviously just boil some water, pour it in here, steep the tea, and then wait for it to cool a little bit and then pop it in the fridge. But yeah, that's my wifely duty.